Here we are on the 11th Wednesday night session of the season. After being extremely frustrated with myself over my poor single-pin spare performance during Monday night's session, I spent over an hour prior to this session trying different ways to make the single-pin spares that I've been having a hard time with over the past few weeks. I'd like to say that I figured some things out, but I'm somewhat hesitant to do so until the results show up during league play. The left and right lanes were playing slightly different during Game 1. I kept making minor adjustments on the left lane, which is partly why I kept getting different results. I'd like to say that I finally figured out what works for me on the left. However, it's hard to say for certain, being that I've only thrown one strike on that lane so far. I'll find out for sure in Game 2. I've made all my spares up to this point as well. Hopefully I can keep doing so for the remainder of the session. I believe that the adjustments that I made on the left lane worked, because during Game 2, I struck at almost the same rate on both the left and right lanes. The split in the 9th frame was likely due to the lane transitioning. I'll need to make adjustments on the right lane in Game 3. With the exception of the split in the 9th frame, I'm still doing a good job of making spares. So far, it appears that the practice session that I had prior to League is paying off.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I missed my target to the right in the first frame, and the ball didn't make it back to the pocket in time. The splits in the 6th and 7th frames were due to a combination of lane transition and a little bad luck. I can accept an occasional split here and there, though. What I'd prefer not to accept is missing a high percentage of single pin spares, and thankfully I've made all of my single pin spares this session. A few more sessions like this, and I'll be back on track to achieving all of my end-of-season goals. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.